Last time you have learned how to do simple addition, where numbers were coming till 9 in both the houses. Today we will learn about addition with carryover or regrouping. Kyra, when do we need to carry over the numbers? When numbers are added and we get more than 9, then the extra number is sent to the next house. Alex, can you tell me from which house do we need to start adding? I remember, Kyra. We always need to add from one's house. Now, let me tell you the story of Misha who learnt regrouping or carry over addition sums from her mother.
Misha, today I am going to teach you carry over addition sums. And for that, I have surprise for you. What's the surprise, Mama? I have bought a new and big set of colors for you. Thank you, Mama. I'm so happy. Those colors are not for coloring today, Misha. I have bought it to show you how to do regrouping. So, let us begin. Can you count and tell me how many colors are there? There are 18 colors. Now, count the next set of colors. There are 14 colors, Mama. Okay, now can you add the numbers and tell me the total? Alright, Mama. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the answer is coming 212. No, Misha, this is not the correct answer. Now I am going to teach you how to solve this sum by regrouping or carrying over to the next house. The numbers were 18 and 14. 8 and 4 are in one's house. As you said, the total of 8 and 4 is 12, which means 1 tens and 2 ones. In tens house, we see 1, 2 and 3 tens. So below we will write 3. And the number that we are getting as total is 32, not 212. I did not know about this, Mama. This is so interesting. Do you know, Misha, there are many children who make the same mistake that you have done. Remember, in one's house, adding numbers up to 9, everything is fine. But 10 or more, take the extra number to the next door. Let us do a sum with new add-ins. And here we are going to use your pencils, Misha. The add-ins are 36 and 28. Let us make bundles of tens so that it will be easy for us to count the pencils. Always keep the bigger number in your head and use your fingers or finger lines to count the smaller number. This makes adding bigger numbers easy. Now let us add the numbers 36 and 28. In one's house, 8 is the bigger number, so you can keep it in your head. And 6 is the smaller number for which you can use your fingers or finger lines. The sum of 8 and 6 is 14. We will write 4 in 1's house and 1 will be carried to the 10's house. In 10's house, we have the numbers 3, 2 and 1, which makes 6. And the answer we have got here is 64. I hope now you are finding it easy to understand the method of regrouping or carry over in addition.
Did you see, Alex, how the carryover sums are done? In the same way, you can also do with the hundreds house. Let me give you an example. Suppose the numbers are 98 and 72. Then the same method you have to follow. First you have to begin with the ones house. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 0 will be in one's house and 1 will be carried forward to 10's house. Now in 10's house we have 1, 9 and 7, which is equal to 17. And again we will move 1 to hundreds house. And the answer is 170.
I have understood how to do carryover sums in addition.
So friends, back to you. Let us solve some carryover sums.